What if winter didn't mean the end of your garden, but the start of something new? What if, instead of staring out at frozen soil, you could harvest fresh lettuce, spinach, and microgreens right from your kitchen window, all winter long? Last November, I decided to test that what if. I planted 7 simple vegetables indoors. Nothing fancy, just a few pots, sunlight, and curiosity. By February, while my neighbors were grumbling about grocery prices, I was cutting fresh greens every single week from my windowsill. You don't need acres of land or expensive grow lights. You just need to know what to grow and how to let nature thrive right inside your home. According to the American Horticultural Therapy Association, 2023, adults over 55 who spend 30 minutes a day gardening report 35% lower stress and 20% better sleep. So, if you've ever thought winter means packing away your gardening gloves, think again. Because today, I'm showing you 7 veggies that thrive indoors and why this might be your healthiest winter project yet. Stick around, because number 5 isn't just budget-friendly, it's practically free food from kitchen scraps. Number 1, microgreens, 7 days to success. This one grows so fast, it feels like cheating. If you've never tried growing microgreens, you're about to fall in love with the easiest and most rewarding crop you can grow indoors. These tiny greens go from seed to harvest in just 7 to 14 days, and you don't even need sunlight, just a bright windowsill. For less than 30 cents per tray, you can grow the same greens that sell for $12 at the grocery store. And here's the best part. You can reuse the same soil 4 or 5 times without losing quality. According to the University of Florida Urban Agriculture Study, 2023, reusing potting mix for short-cycle greens reduces waste by 60% while maintaining nutrient density. All you need is a shallow tray, a thin layer of soil, and seeds. Radish, sunflower, or pea shoots are perfect. Mist them daily, and within days you'll see a mini forest of green rising up. Cut them when they're 2 inches tall, rinse, and enjoy. Fresh, peppery, and packed with up to 40% more vitamins than mature greens. Microgreens are proof that good things really do grow fast. And this is just the appetizer. The next one keeps giving for months. Number 2, lettuce. Lettuce is the comeback kid of indoor gardening. Easy, forgiving, and endlessly generous. Loose leaf varieties like buttercrunch or oak leaf are perfect because they use the cut and come again method. You harvest the outer leaves and the center keeps growing. One plant can keep your salad bowl full for 2 whole months. Indoors, lettuce finally gets the life it deserves. Outside, hot days make it bolt and turn bitter. Inside, in a cool, steady 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, it stays crisp and sweet the entire season. You can even grow it in recycled yogurt cups or coffee cans. Just poke a few drainage holes. According to the AARP Home Gardening Report, 2023, older adults who reuse household containers for plants save an average of $80 per year while reducing plastic waste by nearly 25%. To plant, fill your container with light potting mix, scatter 3 or 4 seeds, and thin them to the 2 strongest seedlings. Water when the top inch feels dry. Morning or north-facing windows are ideal. If light is limited, a small LED grow light works wonders. There's something magical about snipping lettuce right before dinner. Fresh, clean, and grown by your own hands. If lettuce gives you freedom, the next crop gives you flavor. Number 3, radishes. Radishes are the speed demons of the vegetable world. 25 to 30 days from seed to harvest. Indoors, they grow more evenly and stay tender longer because you control the temperature and moisture. Depth matters here. Use containers at least 6 inches deep so those bright bulbs have room to form. Crowded radishes produce only leaves, so space each seed about 2 inches apart. The investment is tiny. A packet costs less than a candy bar, but the return is delicious. According to NIH Urban Agriculture Findings, 2022, homegrown radishes contain twice the fiber of store-bought ones and retain more vitamin C due to reduced transport and storage time. That means healthier digestion and a stronger immune boost straight from your kitchen counter. Try different varieties. Cherry Belle for classic crunch, French breakfast for elegance, or Easter egg for a rainbow mix. Don't toss the greens. They're edible and packed with vitamin A, lightly sautéed with olive oil and garlic. They turn into a flavorful side dish that tastes like pure thrift and freshness. Nothing beats pulling a full-grown radish from a pot in your kitchen and hearing that satisfying snap. It's fast food, but the good kind. But what if I told you the next veggie actually tastes sweeter in the cold? Number 4, spinach. Spinach is the quiet hero of winter gardening, tough, productive, and downright delicious. This cool season, sweetheart thrives in temperatures around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, right when most outdoor gardens are fast asleep. Indoors, spinach grows beautifully in containers and rewards you with sweet, tender leaves week after week. For best results, choose compact varieties like Bloomsdale or Space. They handle lower light levels better than most greens and stay lush even on cloudy days. According to the Harvard Public Health Study, 2023, cold-grown spinach naturally produces more plant sugars to protect itself from chill, which makes the leaves sweeter and richer in antioxidants. It's one of those rare cases where colder truly means better. Plant the seeds about an inch apart in a 6-inch deep container filled with light potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and harvest using the cut-and-come-again method. Snip the outer leaves while the center keeps producing. A single container can feed you for nearly 2 months. Spinach doesn't demand perfection. It simply rewards consistency. The more gently you harvest, the more it grows back. Few plants offer this much nutrition, value, and simplicity rolled into one. The next one costs nothing, literally $0 to grow. Number 5, green onions. If spinach saves you money, green onions might just make you feel like a magician. You can grow them for free from the scraps you'd normally toss away. Next time you buy a bunch from the store, trim off the green tops for cooking, but save the white root ends. Place them in a glass of water on a sunny windowsill, and within days you'll see new shoots emerging. After a week or two, transplant those roots into a pot with soil, and you've got a self-renewing supply that produces for 6 months or more. According to the USDA Waste Reduction Report, 2022, regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps can reduce household food waste by up to 22%, a simple act with real environmental impact. Caring for them is effortless. Keep the soil damp, give them bright light, and harvest by snipping what you need from the top. The roots keep regenerating, producing crisp, flavorful greens again and again. Homegrown green onions have a sharper, fresher bite than store-bought and never wilt in the fridge. They're proof that sustainability can start right on your kitchen counter. Ready for a green that grows fast, tastes bold, and never quits? Number 6, arugula. Arugula is the leafy green that wakes up your taste buds. Quick, bold, and full of personality. It grows fast, taking just 20 to 30 days from seed to harvest, and it thrives where other plants might struggle, in cool, slightly drafty rooms. You don't need perfect conditions. In fact, arugula loves imperfection. Scatter the seeds lightly in a shallow pot and cover with a thin layer of soil. Within days, you'll see slender stems reaching for the light. The first leaves bring that signature peppery kick, perfect for salads, sandwiches, and even pizza toppings. What makes arugula so special is how easily it keeps going. It reseeds itself naturally if you let a few plants flower, meaning you can plant once, enjoy forever. Those tiny white flowers aren't just pretty, they're edible with a mild, sweet flavor. According to the University of California Horticultural Research, 2023, arugula grown in partial shade, typical of indoor lighting, develops higher polyphenol levels, making it richer in antioxidants and sharper in flavor. Arugula is the perfect indoor partner. Fast, forgiving, and bursting with energy. Now let's finish with the ultimate indoor superfood, the king of greens. Number 7, kale. Kale has earned its reputation as the king of greens, but grown indoors, it becomes even better. Choose compact varieties like dwarf blue-curled or winterbore, which stay small, bushy, and ideal for containers. In the right setup, a single plant can produce 50 or more leaves over 3 to 4 months. The secret lies in how you harvest. Always pick from the bottom up, leaving the tender top leaves and growth tip intact. This allows the plant to keep producing new leaves endlessly. Kale loves cooler temperatures, just like spinach, and actually gets sweeter when grown in slightly chilly rooms. A basement window or unheated sunroom is kale paradise. According to the NIH Geriatric Nutrition Study, 2023, kale is one of the best natural sources of vitamin K and lutein, nutrients proven to reduce the risk of bone loss and vision decline in adults over 60. Growing it at home ensures you're getting the freshest, most nutrient-dense version possible. Tender, mild, and vibrant, indoor kale tastes nothing like the tough grocery store kind. It's your very own winter superfood, always fresh, always ready. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see how to keep all 7 thriving without mistakes. Common mistakes that kill indoor plants. I've made every mistake so you don't have to. Indoor gardening looks simple from the outside, just a pot, some soil, and a few seeds. But when you bring plants into a controlled space, you also take on the role of nature itself. Every success or failure depends on how well you manage the balance between water, light, air, and timing. One of the most common killers is overwatering. Indoors, there's no wind or sunlight to help moisture evaporate. The soil stays wet longer, and roots suffocate. Within days, healthy stems turn limp and the leaves yellow. Before reaching for the watering can, test the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, water. If not, wait. Most indoor plants would rather be a little thirsty than drowned. The second mistake is low light. Winter sunlight, even in the brightest window, often isn't enough. Plants stretch, weaken, and eventually collapse under their own weight. The solution is simple and inexpensive. Install an LED grow light for about $20 and keep it on 12 to 14 hours daily. The difference in color, strength, and growth speed is immediate. Another frequent error is using heavy garden soil. Outdoor dirt compacts in containers and holds too much water, suffocating the roots. A light, well-draining potting mix gives plants the oxygen they need. Planting everything at once is another pitfall. It leads to feast and famine. Too much to harvest one week, nothing the next. Instead, plant a new tray every 2 weeks for a steady rhythm of growth. Finally, stagnant air invites mold and fungus. A small fan on the lowest setting provides just enough movement to mimic a gentle breeze, keeping leaves dry and strong. The EPA Indoor Air Study, 2022, found that poor air circulation raises mold risk by 40%, while the AARP Home Wellness Report, 2023, showed that proper light and airflow increase plant survival rates by up to 70%. Master these fundamentals, and your indoor garden won't just survive, it will thrive. Now that you know what not to do, let's talk about the rewarding part, saving money and boosting your health. Starting an indoor garden doesn't require a big investment, just a small commitment and a bit of creativity. With about $25 to $40, you can set up everything you need: a bag of soil, a few packets of seeds, and containers made from things you already have at home, yogurt cups, takeout boxes, or old planters. From there, the return on investment comes fast. Growing your own greens can save $40 to $60 a month on grocery bills, which means you'll earn back your initial cost in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. But the real payoff goes far beyond dollars. According to the USDA Family Food Economics Study, 2023, households that grow even a small portion of their vegetables at home spend 18 to 22% less on groceries, especially among retired adults. That savings adds up quickly, but the impact doesn't stop at the wallet. The Johns Hopkins Aging and Health Journal, 2022, found that adults over 55 who garden indoors show measurable improvements in hand strength, mood stability, and daily activity consistency. The act of nurturing plants, watering, trimming, harvesting, keeps both body and mind active in a gentle, sustainable way. For many, the biggest benefit isn't financial or physical, it's emotional. Watching something grow under your care brings a deep sense of satisfaction. You see progress, you taste the results, and you know that your efforts matter. It's not just about saving money. It's about feeling capable, connected, and proud. Your little garden becomes a daily reminder that growth, like life, doesn't stop with the seasons. And if you're still not sure where to start, the next part will show you exactly how to make it simple, sustainable, and perfectly your own. Starting an indoor garden isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Begin small. Pick just 2 or 3 vegetables that excite you most. Maybe microgreens for quick wins, lettuce for steady harvests, or green onions for the magic of regrowth. Once you master those, expand gradually. Keep a mini garden journal. Write down what you plant, when you water, how much light each spot gets, and what thrives or struggles. Over time, you'll notice patterns, plants that love your kitchen window, or ones that prefer a cooler corner. Those notes become your personal gardening guide, helping you improve every season. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different containers, window directions, or light settings. Indoor gardening is as much about curiosity as it is about cultivation. And above all, embrace imperfection. If a few seeds don't sprout, you're still growing food, and you're still winning. Every leaf is progress. Every mistake is knowledge. When your plants start producing, share the harvest. A handful of fresh greens gifted to a neighbor or friend can brighten someone's day in ways store-bought produce never could. According to the Harvard Center for Human Flourishing, 2023, shared gardening experiences increase social well-being and sense of purpose by 40% among retirees. A garden isn't just food, it's connection, purpose, and peace. Because at the end of the day, gardening isn't just about plants, it's about growing peace, patience, and purpose. So there you have it, 7 winter vegetables that don't just survive indoors, they thrive. Microgreens, lettuce, radishes, spinach, green onions, arugula, and kale, your cold season champions that keep your home alive with color, flavor, and life. Tell me below, which one will you grow first? Are you a fan of quick harvest microgreens? Or are you ready for the long game with kale? I'd love to know. Remember this, winter doesn't end your garden. It just moves it closer to your window, your hands, and your heart. The calm you create inside these 4 walls will carry you through the coldest days. Grow wisely, love deeply, and let your garden be your calm in the storm. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.